Okay guys, so today we are installing the new HP T3600 machine. We are beginning the unloading process. This is the area, it's in the city. Look at the beautiful scenery of Singapore. That's the National Library over there. And we're getting ready to remove the machine from the truck. So we've got a very interesting truck today. It's a cold freezer truck to keep our machine nice and cold. These are the paper rolls and those are the HP ink cartridges. Alright, there it is. There it is, the very famous HP 3600. This machine is installed in a ton of places. It is a compact multi-function machine, 3 A1s per minute, prints in color and black and white at the same price. Excellent for the office, really quiet and supremely built. So this is what we'll be installing today. Weighs about 170 kgs. So it's heavy, but not unmanageable. So my guys have done this a lot of times, so they're quite comfortable with the machine now. So the customer has traded in their old T3500 for the new 3600. This is what it looks like. This is what the inside of the machine looks like. So they are starting the installation process now. What is this item you're doing? You got a drawer.
Unlock the drawer.
Okay.
This can be folded idea.
Okay, we are starting the turning on process. Kwang is applying the final touches to the drawer to secure it. Oscar is working on the other side for the drawer. So you can see pretty sophisticated piece of equipment right here. So now the machine is almost ready. Just doing the startup, and now we're going to replace the print heads. The print head is a single block, as you can see over there. Okay, there are not multiple print heads on this machine. There's just a single print head which has all the colors over here. There you go, Oscar. He's going to show you how we're going to replace the print head. It's super easy, so you don't really need an engineer to replace this HP print head. You can do it very quickly by yourself. And he's done. Okay, so the machine has almost been set up here. We're just waiting for the ink systems to get loaded, and here we go. Another successful installation of a T3600 and one of the leading architect firms in Singapore.